magical noodle tree. The noodles swirled, they bounced and shook. Lasagna leaves in every nook. Penny pods and twisty stems. Ravioli hung like gems. Oops, I grew a noodle tree. Wiggly, giggly, tall as can be. Spaghetti leaves and pasta bark. It twirled and danced till after dark. Oopsie daisy, look at me. I planted a magical noodle tree. I called my friends from down the street. We grabbed some